In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from your Pipedrive account. Keeping your account secure and managing access is critical, especially if you use multiple devices or need to ensure former devices are logged out. So, let's dive right into it. First, head over to your Pipedrive homepage. Once you're there, the next thing you'll do is look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice your profile icon. This is your gateway to accessing personal settings, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking your profile icon will bring up a menu, and from there, you'll want to select Personal Preferences. This section is where all your customizable options live, and it's a great place to tweak settings according to your preferences. After clicking on Personal Preferences, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, in the menu on the left side of the screen, you'll find an option called Your Devices. Click on this to proceed to the next step. This is the place where you can view all the devices that are currently logged into your Pipedrive account. It's always a good idea to check this list regularly, especially to ensure there are no unauthorized devices accessing your account. Now, once you're viewing the list of devices, you'll be able to identify each one by details like the device type, the location from it last accessed your account, and the time of the last login. This information can help you confirm if the list represents devices you currently use or have authorized. Should you find a device that you don't recognize or no longer use, you have the option to click the Log Out button next to it. Removing an unwanted device is quite simple, and clicking Log Out will immediately terminate access from that particular device. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a device from your Pipedrive account. By following these steps, you can keep your account secure by ensuring only trusted devices maintain access. It's a straightforward process, but effective for maintaining control over your account's security. Always make sure that devices that you no longer use are promptly logged out to prevent unauthorized access. I hope you found this guide helpful. Managing your devices on Pipedrive is an essential yet simple task that ensures your data and account remain private and secure. Remember that security isn't just about complex passwords, but also about vigilance in managing how and where your accounts are accessed. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to secure your digital space.